is that what women want? Like, is that what other, if I go think about myself and why I do the things that I do, I don't know if I'm doing it for men or if I'm doing it for women or if I'm doing it for my wife or if I'm doing it for myself. I don't even know why I'm doing it anymore.
Well, that's one of the things I looked at in one of the research studies I did, where I developed this computer program where basically you can click on an image and make the image more or less muscular and then more or less fat, so in both dimensions. And we actually asked guys what their ideal was, and then we asked women what their ideal of the male body was. Now, we had wondered whether it was going to be that men's ideal was what they thought, for heterosexual men, that their ideal would be what they thought women wanted in men. And it turns out it has nothing to do with women, that actually men's ideal far surpass, like statistically surpass, what women actually preferred in men. And the reverse of that is true for women as well, that women think men want them to be a lot thinner, that men in fact prefer the female body to be. So we are not doing it, we're really, in a sense, now the biggest predictor though of how muscular a man wanted to be, what his ideal was actually based on how muscular he thought the average guy is. So there's something about the way that men are sort of competing with each other to be, whether it's being the biggest guy in the room, the most masculine guy in the room, the alpha male. It has less to do with what women want, and it's more, the patients that I work with, they'll actually have women say, you're a good looking guy, and they don't see it. So
I relate to that too.
You're now getting that, but if you're not internalizing it, now the question is, what is this all for?